Oh, starting now. She survived. Okay. Take two. That whole entire video. Okay. We're gonna do a model walk, but we're gonna do it the pachaka way. I mean the whatever that thing. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Hold on. I almost fell. Watch me do this. Oh yeah. Latina way, mija. Clap. Clap. Ratchet. Oh, I'm hello? Joe's trying to open the door. What? Her mom doesn't want her in there. Try to break it down. Come on, girl. You can do it. What was that? What was that? Let me try it. Coming out, everybody. Yo, you can do it, son. You can do it. Won't be like that. No, blow that damn dog out. Yo, they're probably scared as hell. Feel bad for whoever's mad. We love you, no? I mean, what? And I was cheating, no? And I was smoking, weed. You don't have to put me out like that, bro. You don't have to. And then it worked. Oh, well. I don't know. Let's see how often I watch this thing. What? Roll on the floor. Roll? Yep. Stop there. Got me out dirty. So. Any dance moves? Anything? Dougie. Hey, oh yeah, cat, I was about to say that, but she already did it. It was so fast, you know. Yeah, what? Jerk. There's the reject, you mean? Yeah. What, this? Yeah. What? Swag. You. So we about to fire while we can find out. I don't know about me, but I know about you. Sitting on the settle in 3, 2, swag. And now, oh my God, oh my goodness, mommy. We're gonna go. Oh my God. I just saw him kill Becky. Called the Ghostbusters. There's nails in here. Check it out. No, it's gonna hurt. mouse. Alright. Oh crap, Jordan, khakis, deep glasses. What? I like to be anything she wants. Hey. Who's the hell? Yeah. Alright. Hold it. Hold it. Yo, who is that nigga? He was looking for my mom. Who is that? I don't know. He ratchet. Oh, he got why she pregnant. And he's so happy. Yeah. Looking stupid. That's what he gets. Walking around here like you stupid? Oh, he was talking when I was talking. I was like muted. Then I looked his phone. I saw his pictures. I checked his Facebook. And I took your Twitter and I bet it tell me where? Who? Where? Ooh, yeah. Bye. A secret door, one line, going down a lock. This could be a mystery, a big mystery. Try to open it. Oh my God! What? Whoever closed this is mad retarded. No offense. Open it. Take it out. Good mystery. What's behind the door? Can be continued or keep on trying. Keep on trying. Yeah. Take it out. This one. What the hell? It's still open. Oh, it's right here. Alright, what's behind the door? No! Move drugs. Oh, shit. What is it? Paint and a frickin' shovel. What a mystery. What a damn mystery. We had all that. You need to lump that back up now, cause I ain't getting in trouble. You're not gonna camera up in the air. My dad, fucking us. Alright. So I'm gonna go in here for about a minute or two, saying Bloody Mary, and see what happens. Okay, she's a freaking daredevil. It's dark and small, so if she does come, I'm gonna die. So rest in peace, me, and I love you, girl. You know what it is. I love you too. Black and orange, black and orange. And yeah, so I'm going in and gonna say Bloody Mary 5 times, and we're gonna see what happens. What's your luck? Just always touch glass. No, just leave it, leave it. Alright, ready? Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. I'm gonna do it more than 5 times. Don't do it fast, girl. Don't do it. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Oh my God, you guys saw that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Should we take? Oh, that was funny. What an act. What an act. Please. Alright, so we're going to go say goodbye because this video has been 10 minutes. And that crap, starring Tucci, which is Deanna Nunez. Look her up on Facebook. And my name is Anaya Kionis. Look me up on Twitter and Facebook. Peace. Deuces.